Nation. We're back with another one. Y'all see them views, cousin? Let's cook. Let's cook. But wait. Alright, y'all. You know, after the unboxing, we got some work to do. The first video is me with Mistress, big Mistress. Stalker looking perky. SHARKIESHA looking perky, as y'all can see. And now anyways, on this video, we will be changing out these yellows. See how they pop off? Taking out those. Oh man, they better fit. What if they don't fit? Let's see, they should fit. I did measure them. All right. So on this video, let me put this up here for a second. So these are the smoked lenses. Oh yeah, they fit. They're gonna fit right in there. I'm gonna take these old school bulbs out. You know, they just twist out like this. All right, I'm back, guys. So, as I said, I'm taking these off from the tail lights with the old school bulbs. I took that one out already. This box consists of 4 lens covers. Okay. And also we have 4. What are these? Let me see. I think these are lights. 4 LED lights. You see how the connector is basically the same. It's just LED light. So, yes sir. Do that. I don't know what these are for. These are like some sticky things. Come with 4 of those. And it comes with, I don't know what these rings are for. I don't know. So, let's see what these rings are for. Yeah, check it out. Oh, I guess it has 2 different bottom connectors too. Okay. Oh, let's see. Cause that's a single. This is a dual. So let's open up this box. See what this one looks like. I think one of them for the front, one for the back. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, look, they got extras just in case I need to change them out. So on these, as you can see, it's like that. And this the bulb I took off. I need a single. So I guess I'm gonna take this off and swap it over. Okay. So let's cook. All right, so on this, I gotta change this out. So I figured out what these are for. This is in case you have the other ones, the old style, which is like these. So that's why I got the extra black thing, but I already have LEDs in this. I bought those already. So I already have LEDs in that one. So let's come back here. Come here. So on this one, basically you just pull it out. It's gonna take a little bit, but you just pull it out. Like that, see? Come on now. Whoa. So you just pop it out like that. And then I add this. Guess it lines up, it can only go one way. As you can see, you just basically pop that in there like that. Push it back tight. Then let's cook. All right, so you just put these in like this, and I'm gonna have Tiny make sure they work. And turn the, oh, see, it just clips in. Turn the lights on for me, Tiny. Hey, this shit, that light work. You just sit it in there like that. Turn the left blinker, oh, there you go. Yeah, see, you got the smoke with the LED. We got the orange with the old school halogen. And then we basically just pop this out. And that pop right out, just like that, as you can see. Okay. That go there. You just twist inside. Oh, there goes some damage. Grease, cool. Set it in there. And then, all right, you basically just push it in. Just clips in, as you can see. All right, y'all. Tiny, do me a favor and turn the lights on. Tiny, do me a favor and turn the lights on real quick for me. You hear the old stuff. I still got extra stuff, but I won't need it. It look way better. Clean up that back end. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's good. You good. It's flickering because the key not too close to it. Yeah, y'all see it? Oh yeah, that look good. Huh, Tiny? You wanna check it out? You see it? Come right here. Look good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So now basically I got LEDs all across the back.
Looks nice.
They doing?
The red looks good. I mean, mine's are red.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, I guess, you know, we must be good. All right. Let's cook, guys.
There's the other one in the back.
All right, y'all. That was a quick little, you know, smoke tail light install, as you can see. Yeah, that thing look good. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Let's see, check them views out, though. We're gonna go out for a ride today. So, man, that chrome busting, boy. That chrome is busting. That chrome is busting. All I need is me some chrome lowers. Yeah. Some new cans. And that's all I'm gonna probably do to this. Oh, I forgot to lock that. Okay. Yeah. Y'all see it. New luggage, right? Now we got that big Texas bullet. Let's cook. Check out them views. You know, it's fully kitted, boy. Fully chromed out down there. You see it. Chrome is in style, my boy. But anyway, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Let's cook.